Have you ever been insulted? Maybe it was a rude comment from a coworker. Maybe it was a hateful message on social media. Or maybe it was someone you loved, saying something that cut deep into your heart. What was your reaction? Did your heart beat faster? Did you feel the heat rise in your face? Did you want to scream back, to fight, to prove them wrong? We have all been there. We think that to be strong, we must fight back. We think that silence is weakness. But what if I told you that the greatest power in the world is not the ability to strike back, but the ability to refuse the blow entirely? Today, I want to share an ancient story with you. It is the story of the unaccepted gift. By the end of this video, you will never look at an insult the same way again. Welcome back to channel name. Here, we explore the wisdom of the past to help you survive the challenges of the present. If you are looking for peace in a chaotic world, you are in the right place. Before we begin the story, take a deep breath. Let go of the tension in your shoulders. Let's journey back to ancient times. Long ago, in a bustling village in ancient India, there lived a wise master. He was known throughout the land for his incredible patience. People said you could spit on him, scream at him, or steal from him, and he would simply smile with compassion. Crowds would gather every day to hear him speak about peace and kindness. But not everyone was happy about this. There was a young man in the village who was known for his arrogance. He was strong, wealthy, and had a very short temper. He hated the master. He thought the master was a fake. He thought, how can a man be this calm? He is just tricking people to get attention. I will expose him. One morning, the young man marched through the crowd. He pushed people aside, his face red with rage. He stood right in front of the master, who was sitting quietly under a large banyan tree. The young man began to scream. You are a fraud, he yelled. You trick these foolish people with your sweet words, but you are nothing. You are a beggar. You are lazy. You are a parasite on this society. The crowd was shocked. They gasped. Some wanted to defend the master, but the master raised a hand to stop them. He sat there, perfectly still. He looked at the young man not with anger, but with a strange, soft pity. This made the young man even angrier. He started to curse. He used the foulest, most terrible words. He insulted the master's mother. He insulted his teachings. He eventually spat on the ground in front of the master's feet. For 30 minutes, this storm of hate continued. But finally, the young man's voice grew hoarse. He ran out of breath. The silence of the master was like a wall that his words could not break. Panting and exhausted, the young man looked at the master and asked, Why do you not say anything? Are you a coward? Are you deaf? Why are you not angry at what I said? The master smiled gently. His voice was calm, like a cool breeze on a hot summer day. He asked the young man a simple question. Tell me, my son, if you buy a gift for someone and you offer it to them, but they decline to accept it, to whom does the gift belong? The young man was confused. He frowned. What kind of stupid question is that? He snapped. If I buy a gift and they don't take it, then the gift still belongs to me. Exactly, the master replied. You came here today offering me a gift. You brought me the gift of your anger, your hate, and your insults. But I do not accept this gift. The master looked deep into the young man's eyes and continued. Since I do not accept it, this anger still belongs to you. It is yours to keep. You are the one who must carry at home. You are the one who must feel its weight. You are the one who is suffering from it, not me. The young man stood frozen. For the first time in his life, he felt the heavy burden of his own hatred. He realized that, by getting angry, he was only burning his own heart, while the master remained cool and untouched. He bowed his head, not in defeat, but in shame, and walked away in silence. My friends, we live in a world full of people like that young man. Every day, someone will try to give you a gift you didn't ask for. They will try to give you their stress. They will try to give you their insecurity. They will try to give you their rudeness on the internet or in traffic. When this happens, you have a choice. Usually, we unknowingly reach out and grab the gift. We take their anger and we make it ours. We say, how dare they? And we let it ruin our peace. But you don't have to take it. Just because someone throws trash at your door, doesn't mean you have to bring it inside your house. Next time someone insults you, visualize the unaccepted gift. Imagine they are holding a heavy, burning rock. They want to hand it to you. If you react, if you argue, if you get angry, you are reaching out and taking that burning rock. Now, your hands are burned. But if you stay silent, if you smile, if you refuse to engage, they are forced to keep holding that burning rock. They are the ones who get burned, not you. Your peace is your property. Do not let anyone trespass on it without your permission. True strength is not in shouting back. True strength is in the power of your silence. If this story resonated with you, and if you want to build a mind that is unbreakable, I have a small request. In the comments below, write these 3 words. I choose peace. Let this be your promise to yourself today, that you will no longer accept gifts of anger. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories that feed your soul. Until next time, stay wise and stay calm.